Struggling to log into your Rediffmail account? You are not alone. Welcome to ClearTask. Today, I will show you exactly how to fix this issue quickly and get you back into your inbox. First, let's clear out any corrupted browser data that might be causing a login loop. Open your Chrome browser. Click the 3 vertical dots in the top right corner. Select Delete Browsing Data and clear your cache. This removes the temporary files that often cause the glitch. Next, search for the Rediffmail login page and open the official website. Enter your email address, but instead of trying your old password, click on Forgot Password. Enter your email ID again and move forward. You will be asked to answer your account's security question. Choose the option to answer the hint question, provide your response, and then enter the security code shown on the image. Finally, you will be prompted to create a new password. Once that is set, go back to the main login screen, enter your email along with your newly created password, and click Sign In. Your account is now recovered and ready to use. If this quick fix helped you, please like the video and subscribe to ClearTask for more straightforward tutorials. Thanks for watching.